You need help because I forgot.
No, I got it. Yeah, you might just need an egg. Oh, wait.
Oh, there you go. Oh,
Yeah.
I got you.
Yeah, that works. My name's Trevor Joseph Legary.
My name is Zane Dana.
My name is Raymond Smithstead.
My name is John Baronis.
My name is Johan Roldan.
Jacob Burns. Should I bring it?
My name is Gunnar Johnson.
My name is Angelo Levis.
My name is Jesus Reese. And
My name is Dominic Rojas.
My name is Axel Amona Mungia.
Christopher Boyle.
Graham Timoney, and I'm taking Fundamentals of Fabrication. I originally grew up in North Carolina, liked racing motorcycles and just being outside. And then I joined the Marine Corps, ended up coming out to California.
I mean, I came here right out of high school, so, you know, fresh graduate. I'd done a little bit of fabrication work with my uncle because he owns a fab shop. Decided that I wanted to work on cars and build race cars.
I did truck driving for like 6 years. When I was in the Marine Corps, I have heard about this school a long, long time ago.
Well, I grew up in San Ynez Valley, which is kind of a small town. Like to ride dirt bikes, basically anything that goes fast, I'm into it.
I was working before this, so I was just like, might as well go to school. I am prior military. I was in the Marine Corps. I was a diesel mechanic. I was looking at other things, to do other things other than just diesel mechanic, and I was like, I like using my hands and building stuff. So I was like, oh, why don't I just go to welding school and do that?
Before joining this school, 4 years Marine Corps, spent at 29 Palms out in the desert. From Marietta, Temecula area, so I've always been motorsports, off-road.
Wait, what was the question again? I'm sorry. I just graduated high school, so I needed something to get my life started. So I thought this would be the right choice.
I was just in high school. They had this program where we could go to welding, so I decided to go. I did that. It was more of an after-school program, so I learned how to like stick weld.
Before joining the school, I went to North Park High School. I came across your guys' Instagram and I was like, dang, that looks sick. And I was like, you know what? I'll give it a try.
Honestly, the Fab School, I never knew what fab means, like fabrication. I never knew what it meant until like I started looking into it, and then it was like, oh, I thought it was just welding, you know? I just like, oh, I just want to learn how to weld. Like, that'd be cool, you know? I started getting into the course and then started becoming suspension, roll cage, tabs, door panels, body panels, roll beading, all that stuff. And that's when it really started clicking to me what I want to do now.
The reason I came to school is just because I've always been interested in like using my hands and everything, and then an employee of my mom's recommended the school to me, and I've been happy with the decision ever since.
Before joining the school, I went to college for engineering. It was not for me. Then I worked at an off-road shop for a year to see if I would thrive in that kind of environment, and I did. Felt like that gave me a stepping stone to come here, which is what I always really wanted to do.
During the course, do you feel like your skills have been developed?
Yeah, I feel like I got better in different areas of the fabrication and welding. Like I kind of got the hang of it in the end.
Oh, definitely. The most mechanical and fabrication experience I had was just random tasks. It's cool to be able to take something from the ground up now and not just have to buy parts, but make parts.
I feel like it has been developed.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, I mean, coming in, I really didn't know much. Learned all kinds of new stuff. Pretty much everything in here was new to me. It was a learning curve for sure, but it was good.
Oh yeah, for sure. Definitely. I kind of knew how to weld already, so that definitely got refined a lot and learned a bunch of new skills.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah. My first day coming here, I didn't know nothing. Like, I feel like I've learned a lot being here.
Oh yeah, totally. You know, I came into this course knowing a little bit. I was picking it all up pretty quick.
I feel like it has been developed because I haven't welded at all, like previously. So honestly, I feel like I did do good progressively.
Absolutely, just feel confident. I had some welding and fabrication experience, but I was a hack. Now when I look back at my previous work, I would go, you were a hack.
I can do it like with my eyes closed. Oh yes, most definitely.
Yeah, definitely. I just got a job last week. I fully shocked myself. I mean, he gave me a couple small projects to do, and I was able to knock them out without any hesitation, and everything came out absolutely perfect.
Oh yeah, I threw this one notch down. It was a notch that was in the middle, and it had one main notch, so the tube can go on top, and it had two more tubes going this way. So it had another U notch. I knocked it down, and we threw it in. We had to tap it in like twice, and it flew right in. And it was just straight flush, the whole thing, top to bottom. Oh, I killed it the first time. My welds too, I have pictures of my welds. It's pretty solid.
course, what was like your personal favorite project?
I really like the chair because I feel like there was so much pieces that went to one thing. And also playing with carbon fiber, I didn't think I was going to play with that at all. And yeah, I really love doing that, honestly.
Definitely favorite project was the roll cage. We did more of a pre-runner, off-road style cage. Pretty big collaboration between people. Awesome learning experience.
I would say the mechanics chair. I think it was sick.
The roll cage and the motorcycle project. I feel like the groups I had, we worked together well and we had a blast.
Oh man. I would have to say the bead rolling is pretty cool.
I actually really liked studying the suspension. As much as it was tedious doing the chipboard and all that, I liked understanding how vehicles react, physics, and how we can adjust to get something to handle nicely.
I want to say probably the roll cage project. It was just fun working as a team, and the roll cage was it was challenging, but it was challenging to a point where it made it fun. So I think that one for sure.
I'd have to say the motorcycle project and the roll cage. You know, I like working as a team.
My favorite project is probably the roll cage.
Ooh, I'm gonna say either the roll cage or the door panel. And the door panel is just a little bit of everything.
I gotta say it was probably the mechanics chair because we got to go to the Composites, work on carbon fiber for a bit.
I like the mechanics chair, it was cool.
The roll cage project was a lot of fun. For me, at least, it was because like our class was still kind of like timid up to that point, and then once we started working like bigger groups, everyone started to mesh a lot better. It made it really fun.
Where are we going? Where do you want to go? How was your experience here at the Fab School?
It was saucy.
It was Fab School.
Yeezer.
0.5 the whole time.
What's the most difficult part about this program? What? For you, at least.
You.
Good for real.
You. It was amazing. It was a lot of fun.
Tahoe.
We're here with instructor Ian. What's got to say?
Congratulations, Tahoe.
Last question, is there any last things you want to give or a shout out?
Yeah, just thank you to like my family for supporting me through this. My mom and my dad, they've been awesome, you know, just letting me stay at home and all that stuff. It's great. Yeah, so probably just thanks to them for supporting me through this.
Just want to thank my instructors, Nate and John. Awesome instructors, especially Nate. He knows a lot about suspension engineering and things about the motorsports. He owns his own shop. I would like to open my own shop one day.
To my instructors, Nate and John, so man, did a kick-ass job. Thank you guys.
Thanks to my parents for being there, supporting me. Thanks to my wife for doing my laundry. I never get to do it.
Yeah, I want to thank John, Nate, my parents, my grandparents, everybody that helped me. I mean, without laughing every day, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do.
I just want to thank all the instructors that, you know, you can come in after class, they'll help you out. Throughout the whole day, they're helping you. Dallas is here, he was a big help also. We just jumped around class to class. And, you know, Nate and John, they're amazing.
I'd like to give a shout out to all the instructors that helped me. Nate, John, Ian.
Give a shout out to John. He helped me a lot.
First, Miguel really helped me throughout a lot. Nate as well. John too. John's always there to help.
Yeah, thanks to the military and Nate for teaching me a lot of interesting things where I'll just ask questions. Nate, the instructor, I'll ask a lot of really random open-ended questions to get his brain going and get some extra knowledge.
I want to thank Ian, Angel, Nate, and John. They all did help me through, and whenever I needed it, I knew I could come to them.
My friends at 4x4 and More, the shop I was working at.
Shout out my mom and dad for helping me get through it. That's for sure.
All right, you did a perfect interview.